How to install a Deepseek app. To install the official Deepseek app on your mobile device, you need to use the device official app store. Now, this depends on the type of device that you're using. For Android, you need to head over to Play Store, and for iOS, you need to open up App Store. Since I have Android on my device, or since I have Android device, so what I'm gonna do is open up my Play Store. On the search bar, I simply need to type in Deepseek. While doing this, you want to make sure you're connected to a stable internet and that your device is completely up to date. So you just need to go ahead and click on the install button, or wait for it to confirm, or wait for it to completely install, and after which you could go ahead and register or create your account. And as per the iOS device, what you need is open up App Store in a similar way you've done for the Play Store, and then type in Deepseek on the search bar. And in some cases, you might have to enter in your iCloud ID, or you might have to go through some confirmation. So you might have to bypass that. And then it's gonna install it, and after which register or log in. This way you'll be able to install Deepseek app onto your device. With that being said, we've come to an end. That's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.